What's going on, guys? It's been a crazy 4 years, but guess what? We are finally here. The moment you've been waiting for since 2021 is here. The real bull run is kicking off. Altcoin season is right around the corner. Things are about to pop off. This is the time to make the right moves and to maximize your profits while you have the opportunity. Now, the best way for you to earn in crypto right now is Nomy Finance without trading or taking on any risk. It's a licensed company with a proven team since 2019, over 600 successful launches through Nomy Ventures and many other strong fundamentals. Okay, as you see this, I want to bring you down here. Also, it's the talk of the world. Cointelegraph, Blockonomy, Crypto News, Binance Square, The Defiance, they are all talking about Nomy. For your verification means nomify.com/licenses gives you their licenses, the regulatory requirements for each region, what you need to know that your investment is safe. Now, you guys know I've moved a bunch of money over here. We're staking them. I'm going to do right now a big move on Solana. I told you guys it is my opinion that we've got about 6 months left in this bull run. Less than 2 weeks ago, we made our first deposit. We deposited 50 Solana. We now have earned 1.17 Solana off of a scheduled interest of 24.3. I'm going to have 24 extra Solana on April 11 of 2026. So we're going to open up another one. I'm going to create one more new deposit. We're going to use 50 more Solana. We're going to do this over 6 months, 22.21%. Now, we've already done multiple Nomy deposits, so we're going to select to earn 2.14% more in Nomy. Remember, we get paid in Nomy for the overage of this, so we're going to accumulate some more Nomy tokens. Nomy tokens are the fuel that's going to run this entire ecosystem. Now, we've done that. I've done 3 deposits so far for Nomy, and that will make the 4th. So now that's how we're getting our rewards. If you want to earn real world money in crypto, staking is the way that you, okay? Holding these passive income opportunity is your most successful move in portfolio management. So we've created a new deposit. We've done all these things. Now, the question is, what can you do? VIP users are going to get up to 5 free swaps per deposit each and every month. So make sure you sign up today. This is your opportunity to earn yourself an even bigger bag of what you already have. It's not financial advice, but I'm always right.